Hello everyone, welcome back to Azure SQL Mastery. In this video, we will see how to copy Azure SQL database to your local environment like development and a test. There are many scenarios where you really want a production copy. For example, troubleshoot the production issue, or you have implemented a new functionality or a feature for your application that you want to test on a production copy. So many organizations may not allow a copy of production database. However, if you implement a database security like a database masking or always encryption, then you can use a production copy. So before start the demo, if you like the video, please subscribe and click on bell icon so you are first to know when I upload a new video. Thank you very much. See you in a demo. So here I have two servers, production server and a development server. Now I want to copy a production database to local server. So click on the production server, go to the SQL Server database. Here select the database. So I have only one database, so I have select AdventureWorks DMA, and there is a button called copy. So click on copy. Here select the target server. So you can select your test server or a development server. So I am going to select my server. So this is my test servers, SQL BrainBox Dev. This is my development server. So I am going to click the development server and click on OK button. So the database copy activity started. Let's wait. Yeah. So meanwhile, I will connect my development server through SSMS. So let's go to the database engine, SQL BrainBox Dev.database.windows.net. This is my development server. This is my login name and password. Click on connect button. Okay. So refresh the database. Yeah. So I guess it's completed. Okay. Let's wait. Still the copy activity is going on. Yes, so I think it's completed. So SQL database copy activity completed. So let's quickly check. Yeah, so this is my SSMS. Click on refresh button. Yes, so create a new query and run select star from person.person. Yes, let's quickly run. Yes, so now my production copy is available in my development server. Okay, so now you can achieve the same functionality using a SQL command. So this is my production server. Now I want to create a duplicate copy of production database. Then you can write this command, create database AdventureWorks test as a copy of my production database name and click on execute button. So you will create a same production database copy in the same server. Okay, it will take a time. Done. So let's quickly check. Yes, so now the database got created. Now you want to create a production database to the development environment, right? Through SQL Server command. So click on the database. So first select the development server, then click on the database and click on the new query. And here you write a create database AdventureWorks, for example, test as a copy of. Now here you want to give your server name, production server name. So my production server name is Azure SQL BrainBox. So Azure SQL BrainBox dot database name. So my database name is, my production database name is this one. So let's copy it. Yes, so AdventureWorks DMA and click on execute button. Done. So now let's quickly refresh the database folder. Yes, now the adventure test database got created in a development environment. So I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.